y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you were new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do some product reviews and hauls. We do a little bit of everything here. If you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, please do give the video a thumbs up and make sure to hit that notification bell. As you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the May 2020 GlossyBox. I'm excited. It looks so fun, and it says Wild Thing all the way across the box. Now this does come in an outer box that it is mailed in, and then you take out this box and it's a really nice box. So if you are unfamiliar with GlossyBox, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription where you receive 5 full and deluxe size beauty items. It is, again, only $21. I will put a link down below as well as a promo code, which is just my name, Nikki, that will save you 22%. So you can actually get your first box for right around $16. So the value of the box is usually right around or even over $100. So you're getting a really good deal. But let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got in this fun zebra print box for May 2020. I'm gonna say, even the inside of their box is usually cute, and I'm noticing it actually has little like paw prints. That's adorable. So this is what you see when you open it. So it looks like actually there were 2 boxes this month, so there may be a little bit of a variation. Looks like we have the zebra and then maybe a cheetah print. So I love how they always tie it up. It's just a cute touch. So let's open it. So yep, we have our little pamphlet here, and on the back, it does give you a sneak peek to the following month. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that first. June, the theme is World of Beauty. We're taking you on a virtual world tour next month, Glossies. Experience beauty from all corners of the globe and learn the secrets of international style with brands from the USA, Asia, Europe, and beyond. Stay tuned for a June box that's well-traveled. That's awesome. And coming soon, they have their Summer Essentials limited edition bag. That sounds fun. And one thing too that is really awesome with GlossyBox is you earn credit every month for your subscription and then going in and reviewing your products, and then you can actually take those credits and purchase items over on Look Fantastic, which is a kind of a sister company to GlossyBox. So there's a perk for that, which is awesome. But here we have, again, the Explore Your Wild Side. I'm guessing Wild Side is the theme this month. When you open it, it will tell you about all the products inside as well as give you pricing, so I do appreciate that. So this is what we see taped up, and we're going to open it. And then here's all of our goodies. So I already see one thing that has caught my eye and I'm like, what? All right, so it says, own the runway of your life with an attitude that's loud, out, and about in this month's GlossyBox Wild Thing. Instead of tackling the jungle, we want you to mold it on your own terms. In the wild, there are no rules, and the same goes for our box. Breaking expectations and delivering our first ever dual design box. Whether you receive the zebra print or the leopard print, our May box will lead the pack of beauty innovation with skincare, makeup, tools, and accessories to get you where you need to go. Stay fab, stylish, and of course, wild. Stay glossy. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll start here with the first item. And this is the Ico London liquid eyeliner in black right here. This is obviously full size, and it says, say yes to the super fine, super black liquid eyeliner. This handy pen has a narrow point tip to give you ultimate control, and the formula is waterproof so it won't budge during the day. Try a neat, subtle line to enhance your lash volume, or go wild and wing it out. It's up to you. And this is a retail value of $22. Now, I don't really care for liquid liners. However, I will say that this is the only liquid liner that I like because The tip on this is so precise. I really like that. So here is the actual product. And then the tip, because it's a little bit bigger, so it does allow you to have better control. It's not kind of flimsy like some liquid eyeliners can be. So again, I do like this one. All right, so our next item, let's see, we got a sheet mask, and this is actually a CBD sheet mask. I have never seen a CBD sheet mask. And it's a charcoal purifying and brightening. Love that. Right there. Let's read about this guy. And it looks like there were actually a couple of variations here for the sheet mask. You would have received one of 3. And let's see, this line of reformulated 50 milligram CBD face masks are made with a topical boost of organically grown hemp CBD combined with traditional skincare ingredients like charcoal, aloe vera, rose extract, and hyaluronic acid, designed to soothe, hydrate, and clarify your skin during the beginning of summer. And this is $6.99. So it looks like there was a rose, which was a toning mask, and aloe vera, which was soothing. And again, I got the charcoal purifying. I actually like the charcoal, and like I said, I'm excited to try a sheet mask with CBD in it. That's awesome. All right, our next item, this is what I'm like, oh. This is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Now this is a like travel size, so it's a deluxe size. This powerful deep cleansing balm dissolves makeup, daily grime, and pollutants. That doesn't sound right, but I'm pretty sure I said that right. Luxurious rose and mimosa waxes are infused with nourishing elderberry, starflower, and optimega oils. And it says, for a deep cleansing sensation, apply a thin layer and leave it on for 10 minutes like a mask. And this is valued at $14. I love Elemis products. I think they are amazing. Oh, it has a good, like, earthy, just natural, good smell. So I am so excited to give this a try. All right, and then we have got a kiss-proof lip cream from Bella Pierre. This is Rose Petal, so I'm assuming that is the color. So here is the box. This is obviously full size. And kiss-proof lip cream, it says shades may vary. Be ready for anything with this lovely high-impact liquid lipstick that lasts for hours without the need to touch up. Full coverage, matte finish. Fab in 2 seconds flat. And this is $20. And let's take a look. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Let's do a little swatch here. This is a beautiful color. So it has a regular doe foot applicator. Oh yes, oh my gosh, y'all. That color is stunning. I love that so much. All right, and then our final product is from Steve Laurent, and it is a little eyeshadow palette matching the box with the zebra print. And this says the possibilities are endless with this eyeshadow palette. With metallics and dark colors, you can rock your bold or smoky look as much as you like. And this is valued at $38. And obviously this is a full size, and this is Wild Thing. Let's see what it colors. So the outer packaging. Okay, these are gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And you could do neutral all the way to like super bold and smoky and like date night out on the town. I love this. I think it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this was an awesome box. Way to go, GlossyBox. So we got the Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette. We got the CBD sheet mask. We got the Bella Pierre liquid lipstick. And we got the Ico full-size black liquid eyeliner. And then the travel size or deluxe size of the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I think this was an amazing variety of 5 products. You got skincare, you got a good amount of makeup. I think it was a great balance, and this was such a wonderful box. I will put the total value right down here so you can see exactly what it is worth for May 2020. If you guys, like I said, want to sign up, I will put that link down below along with that promo code to save you 22% off your first box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.